Good morning, Dr. Carter. It's Mihira, the community nurse. I'm calling about Mr. Peterson, your patient in Block C.
Oh, Mr. Peterson. Yes, the gentleman with a persistent dermal ulceration. What's the latest, Mihira?
Well, that's precisely why I'm ringing. The venous ulcer on his medial malleolus, which we've been managing with those zinc oxide bandages, it's actually responding quite well to the compression therapy. Granulation tissue is visible, minimal exudate. However, I'm rather concerned about the other lesion, the one on his left great toe. It's significantly deteriorated since my visit on Wednesday.
Deteriorated? I thought we were just observing that, given his peripheral neuropathy. Is it acutely inflamed?
Not acutely inflamed, pray. There's no significant erythema, and the warmth is minimal. But the margins are becoming indistinct, and there's a noticeable pallor around the ulcer bed. More importantly, he's reporting a heightened level of tingling and some intermittent burning, which he hadn't articulated quite so intensely before. It's not the usual dull ache he gets with his established diabetic neuropathy. This feels different, he says, like cold fire. He's usually quite stoic, so for him to volunteer that level of discomfort is rather telling. I'm worried it's progressing beyond a simple neuropathic concern.
I see. So the character of the pain has altered, and the lesion itself shows signs of impaired perfusion. That's concerning. Could be a vascular component emerging. We'll need to schedule him for a Doppler study, perhaps an ABI. We need to rule out critical limb ischemia, given those new symptoms.
My thoughts entirely, Dr. Carter. The standard neuropathic pain medication isn't touching this new sensation either.
Right. I'll arrange the referral promptly. Thanks for the heads up, Mihira. Mihira, I want to start by reassuring you that while COPD is a long-term condition, it can be managed very effectively with the right plan, allowing you to maintain a good quality of life and stay active. Think of this as learning a new set of skills to help your lungs work at their very best. The most powerful step you can take, if you're still smoking, is to quit. This is the single most important thing to slow the progression of the disease. Alongside this, adopting a healthy, balanced diet helps maintain your energy levels and strength, and practicing daily breathing exercises like pursed lip breathing can make you feel less short of breath by helping your lungs work more efficiently. A crucial part of managing this well is knowing when to seek help. You are the expert on your own body, so if you notice your symptoms worsening significantly, for instance, if your cough becomes more persistent, you have more shortness of breath than usual, or you notice a change in your phlegm, it is essential to contact your doctor or nurse promptly. Additionally, if you're using an oxygen saturation monitor at home and see a sustained drop from your normal levels, this is a clear sign to seek medical attention immediately. By staying vigilant with these daily strategies and knowing the warning signs, we can work together to keep you healthy and out of the hospital.